Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's recap. Today is the 4th Tuesday. Let me just pull up my other broker, or sorry, my other software here for my broker. 1 second. It's loading right now. In the meantime, let me pull up my gapper list. So just like any other day, I come to my desk and I run my gap scanner, and then I see the stocks that are gapping up. And I was actually watching SSNT was on. I didn't trade it, but I kept it on the back burner just because it was out of my range in terms of the price. So that's why I didn't trade it. ATHE I was watching. SINT I was watching. ZCMD I was watching. YRCW I was watching. ICON I was watching. CHFS I was watching. I believe there were a couple other ones. But yeah, so let's go over those. Let me just change this over here. And okay, cool. So let me move this here. So today was, not a bad day. There was some momentum for sure, but I missed momentum on ATHE. I caught some of it, but not a lot of it. So first, let me go over. Let me show you the stocks that I actually traded today. So if I go over here, so today I'm actually up $166, right, and some change. So I traded ZCMD VSTM. This had a good setup, but didn't resolve. SINT I traded, and ICON and COCP, CHFS, BYFC, ATHE, right? So ZCMD, I caught some of it. It moved so fast that I reacted very slow, so I got filled in with some shares. Just because I don't have a very big offset. So let's go over that real quick. Where's my charting? Right here. So if we pull over ZCMD, this was picture perfect as well. I just didn't react fast enough. So the entry was right here, right? For the break of $3, and at the same time we know there's resistance here, so that's what was good. So I got filled in some shares, like 30 shares, and I'll just let it ride on the way up, and I think I sold at like 412. Let me pull that up real quick. Orders, let me go back to ZCMD. Yeah, sold 30 shares at 491, and I think I got filled at let's see, 296 and sold at 431. Yeah, it is what it is. It would have been a good ride, but that's how much I got filled in. I didn't react fast enough, right? So that was that, and then the other ones were SINT. Let me show you that real quick. It actually did better later on, but I don't really trade at those hours. So SINT, let's see. Let's pull this back up. SINT, I made $29, and I think it took a few tries on SINT. So let's go pull that up. SINT, where are you at? So I bought some at 261, sold some at 262, or sold all of it at 262, I guess. And then I tried again at 261, bought at 264, and sold at 267, 268. So I believe this was around, let's see, this area right here for the push over. It wasn't a very clean one, but it was around this area right here, getting in around 258, 259 for the push up. And I sold some on the way up, and obviously it tanked. So good thing I did sell it. But later on it came back up, and then failed VWAP, came down, and then obviously now it's, came above VWAP and is pushing higher. So technically you can see there's a lot of resistance here, right? So this candle touched this line 4 times, and also, for the break of $3, it's also another level. So that was that. This may actually break through. It's possible. Look at these green candles, right? So that's that. And then let's go get VSTM. It's another one that actually failed, but it was very good. Good pattern, which was I think I was looking for 155, but when it dipped down, I just kind of sold it just because I was seeing light volume as well. So that's why I didn't bother with it. But eventually, went up for like 5 cents. So I missed that move. So it's all good. Light volume, anyways. So yeah, that's why I lost $1.20 on it. Let's see. ICON, I can show you. COCP, I think would be worth showing. So let's pull that up. COCP. I was looking for a break of, let's see. I believe I got a good red to green move on it, which was around this area right here. And as it came up, I sold some on the way up. So that was that. Other than that, this was very hard to, it didn't really have clean patterns other than that red to green move and the pop up to VWAP and got rejected. So, yeah, so not bad there. Let's see, CHFS, nothing big there. ATHE, we can go over that. I lost money on it, but a lot of people made money on it. This stock just went crazy. The spot that I would have looked for if I was paying attention would be around this area. As you can see, 360 was the resistance. And for those of you that do trade, ascending wedge, as you can see, for this breakout, right, the triangle breaks out, and also we have, we're making higher lows as well, right? So, and then you can kind of come here and trade over this line right here. So getting at 350, 360 would be a good entry, and for the recovery of VWAP, that was another big entry. So whoever caught that, congratulations, that was a good move. Overall, I'm finishing the day up. I'm finishing the day up $166 and some change. I think 166.80 cents or whatever. Let's just call it 167. So not bad. Yesterday was a green day. Today was a green day. Let's keep that going. Hopefully you guys are green too. Subscribe to my channel and like the videos. That helps me out. That also tells me you guys like the videos and I can keep making them. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.